Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use journaling apps for easy note taking. So I will be just recommended the website which is called Notion AI. It is easy to generate notes on journaling daily basis. So I will just show you the step number one is that you will just tab on it form which is bottom, and you will just give them name journal. And if I just scroll down, so basically in the questions you will just give them prompts like mood tracker, and the second option if I just edit it like daily highlights. So basically you will just in mood tracker add emoji or a drop down menu to select your mood for the day, and you will just also use in daily highlights, use bullet points or a table summarize key events of your daily life easily. So if the second method is that you will just also use like databases organization. If I just use it a new page right over here, and in new page I will just give them name again journals, and in the bottom section you will see the table option. I will just tap on it. So basically databases in Notion allow you to categorize entries like use tags like work, personal or ideas. So you will search by date to sort entries. So I will just give them name of this property like work. Just tap to simply entered, and again you will just tap on it plus icon. You will also just give them name this property personal and just simply tap on it enter, and again you will just tap on it plus icon. And the third property you will just give them name like ideas and simply just tap on it add. So now you will see the work, personal and ideas. So in work you will just add it like workout, and in personal you will just write daily, and here you will just add your ideas. So you will just in this way you will just use databases for organization of your daily journals. So in this way you will just use journaling apps for easy note taking. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.